प्यारे बच्चों, आपको लेसन 8 में रिलीजियस बिलीफ में टीचिंग ऑफ सूफीज्म के बारे में पढ़ा चुका था। अब दीन और इलाही के बारे में देखें पहले, और उसके बाद सिखिज्म अर्थात सिख धर्म के बारे में बताएंगे। दीन इलाही कहते हैं, अकबर हैड लिबरल रिलीजियस व्यूज। ही टॉक विथ लीडर ऑफ डिफरेंट रिलीजियस इन अ बिल्डिंग कॉल्ड इबादत खाना where views were freely exchanged. He observed that all religions taught similar things. He incorporated the principles of all the religions and found a new faith named as Deen Ilahi. It was more of a moral conduct code than a religion. He had not forced conversion to the new faith, which discouraged killing of animals for food. Harsh punishment like mutilation of limbs were discontinued. It also disapproved of the sati custom, but Deen Ilahi did not attract many followers and lost its novelty with Akbar's death. Sikhism is based on the teaching of the 10 gurus of the Sikh, including Guru Nanak Dev. He was born at Talwandi in Pakistan in 1469. Even as a child, he had a contemplative mind and took little interest in worldly affairs. He remained happy in the company of Sufis and sadhus. On the day of Kartik Purnima in 1496, he experienced a spiritual regeneration. He traveled throughout India and spread his message and teaching. He also visited Makkah, Medina, Baghdad, and Sri Lanka. His teachings are contained in Adi Grantha, the holy book of Sikhism. He believed that God has no form. He is Nirankara, called him Ram, Rahim, Rab, Hari, Gobind, or whatsoever. He preached throughout his kirtans. Main teaching of Guru Nanak: God is one, Ek Omkar. He is the creator of the universe. Second, God is truth. Third, class distinctions are useless as they divide human beings. He believed in good action and true devotion. Fifth number, he insisted that his followers should organize langar, community kitchen, to bring different castes together. He denounced the useless rituals of Hindus and Muslims. He did not believe in renouncing the world. And eighth number, a guru, he said, can lead people on the path of the bhakti. Guru Nanak insisted on the 3 principles which contain the essence of life. These principles are as follows: नाम जपो और meditate, कीरत करो और work hard, and earn your livelihood by honest means. Vanda Chako are share earning with those less fortunate than you. Nanak also began free community kitchen called Guru Ka Langar. He established Sangat and Pangat at several places. These served as meeting place for his disciples to meet regularly. 20 days before his death in 1539 at Kartarpur, he called a big congregation of his followers and established the seat of the Guru. He chose Angad as his successor, who became the second Sikh Guru. Now, 10 Sikh Gurus. 10 The 10 successive Sikh Gurus in order are Guru Nanak, Guru Angad, Guru Amar Das, Guru Ram Das, Guru Arjan Dev, Guru Har Gobind, Guru Har Rai, Guru Har Kishan, Guru Tegh Bahadur, and Guru Gobind Singh. Guru Angad collected the rhyme of Guru Nanak and organized them in Gurmukhi script. Guru Arjan Dev constructed the Harmandir Sahib in the center of the Amritsar tank. He advocated a worldly life and made offering Das Vanda compulsory. Guru Har Gobind organized the Sikh into a military community and constructed the Akal Takht. Guru Tegh Bahadur spent his whole life fighting against injustice and oppression of the Mughals. His martyrdom completely changed the history of the Sikh. Injustice, oppression of the Mughals. His return completely changed the history of the Sikh and the Punjab. Guru Gobind Singh, the son of Guru Tegh Bahadur and last Guru, created a new order of Sikhism, the Khalsa. Guru Gobind Singh was born at Patna in 1666. He was brought up trained like a prince. He was nominated as the next Guru during the lifetime of the Guru Tegh Bahadur itself. He made Anandpur his headquarters and decided to create national awakening in Punjab. In 1699, he called a meeting at the Anandpur and established the Khalsa Panth. He called upon people to come forward for the cause of Dharma. In the gathered assembly, 5 men came forward and pledged their life for the cause of Dharma. Guru Tegh, the Guru, baptized them with the Amrit and they came to be known as Panch Pyare. For the guidance of his follower, the Guru prescribed a special set of the rule of conduct. The 5 symbols of the Sikh are kesh, long hair, kanga, a comb, kacha, a pair of swords, kada, iron bracelet, and kripal, sword. The writing of the Guru Gobind Singh were collected as the Dasham Granth. After Guru Gobind Singh, he temporal seat of the Guru was compulsorily ended. The leadership of the committee was vested in the Khalsa Panth. The Guru Granth Sahib and the Gurudwara, Sangat and Pangat become prominent Sikh institutions. Now, read self and quick recap against next day.